Judicial Qualification Commission. Now, I'll be honest with you, I wasn't up to speed with this, and if I had gotten into the ballot box and read the language of this, my head would have been spinning. But there are 2 points in this language that may have caused me to vote yes for this. So I'm going to read the language for you. Shall the Constitution of Georgia be amended so as to abolish the existing Judicial Qualifications Commission, require the General Assembly to create and provide by law for the composition, manner of appointment, and governance of a new Judicial Qualifications Commission, with such commission having the power to discipline, remove, and cause involuntary retirement of judges. Now, I feel like at this point, our heads are going to be spinning so badly that all we're going to see is, well, yeah, we need a commission because we've got a problem in our courts. We need a commission to manage that. And people won't realize we already have one in place. But so they'll keep reading. Now we're going to require the Judicial Qualifications Commission to have procedures that provide for due process of law and review by the Supreme Court of its advisory opinions. Well, that sounds good. Okay, we need commissions to have this additional review. But this last part is what's really troublesome to me, that people will probably not understand. And allow the Judicial Qualifications Commission to be open to the public in some manner. Now, it's my understanding that right now, this commission is totally open to the public. We can sit in on the hearings, we can ask for the transcripts, review what the proceedings are, we can know who's being charged with misconduct. Under the new enabling legislation that goes along with this commission, all that transparency goes away. The part where it says in some manner, legislatively, all these proceedings are going to be determined and classified as privileged. We will not have access to know who's being charged with misconduct, how the proceedings are going, what the charges are. In such manner means that when they are finally found guilty of misconduct and are removed from the bench, at that time the people can know what happened. So we have a commission now that's going to be completely under the cloak of darkness. And because of the way they're changing the appointments of the commission, many people are concerned that it's now going to become a politically appointed commission. Now, I talked to a state senator yesterday, and he said, well, the good news is the Senate will have to approve all of these appointments. Well, the bad news for me as a citizen is that our governor is controlling our legislative body. So all of these appointments will more than likely be under the control of the governor, the Speaker of the House, the Senator Pro Tem, and other members of the legislative body who will control their actions. And in fact, that's what, according to the commission now, is the problem with the process, is that there's too much influence coming down from these people in their decision making. And when the judges that these folks like are being disciplined, the commission is having some challenges. So we believe that amending our state constitution on this one should not be done. We need to allow our General Assembly to review the issues and come up with a better solution for the challenges that our commission is facing so that we maintain transparency for citizens. That's most important.